Plan a graduation party. It is that time of year again when students in high school, college, graduate school, law school, and medical school are all graduating. That means it is time to start planning a great graduation party. Here are some tips on how to make your graduates' party special. Decide what kind of party you want to throw. Do you want your event to be casual or more formal? Is it going to be sit-down or buffet? Is it going to be geared toward family or friends or both? These are all important questions you need to answer before going any further in your party planning. I recommend a more casual affair as typically your graduate will want his friends to come and they may have many parties to attend on the same day. By having a more laid-back party, partygoers will feel more at ease coming and going. Figure out where you want to throw the party. Do you want to hold the party at a restaurant or at home? Do you want it indoors or outdoors? Are you going to cook yourself or have the party catered? Once you figure out these details, you can really get going on planning the fun stuff. Decide when to throw the party. Graduation parties can be thrown either before or after the actual day of graduation, typically within 1 week of the graduation date. Parties thrown on graduation day can be more stressful for both you and the graduate as he may feel rushed or overwhelmed with too much to do in one day. Keep this in mind when you decide on a date for the party. Make the guest list. Make sure your graduate gets to invite who he wants to his party. It is important that the party and its guests all mean something to the graduate. If you are having an outdoor party at your home, make sure to invite neighbors to include them in the event. Details, details, details. Don't forget to decorate. Whether it is minimalist decorations or more extreme, graduation decorations are essential for a graduation party. Make sure to send out invitations at least 2 weeks before the party to ensure your guests can mark the date and RSVP in time for the event. Whether you send out invites online or invitations by mail, make sure that you clearly ask guests to RSVP so you know how many people to expect for the party. Make sure your graduate sends out thank you notes after the party to not only thank people for their gifts, if they choose to give one, but also for their presence at the party. It is a nice touch for your guests to let them know that you appreciate them. Follow these tips and your party will truly be a smash hit. And check out the links for help finding party supplies and additional ideas. Good luck and enjoy your graduation party. Quick tips. Make sure that your graduate's favorite people are there. It is his special party. Have fun in planning the party. It should not be stressful, it should bring you joy. Useful links: graduation party decorations, graduation party supplies, bulk party supplies.